What I experienced just by being here today was a profound opportunity for the people who are the dozens of people that are here to really challenge themselves to step into a greater possibility within themselves.
Hey, I'm pretty bold. Why would I need this? I thought the same thing, but I realized I could be bolder.
And we're all at different levels of boldness or confidence, and I think it's for anyone and everyone.
It really is for anybody. It meets you where you're at.
This was such a cool experience to be able to pull me out of my shell a bit more. So I do have to say thank you, Fred, for that.
Being a part of this workshop, I've really noticed that, I do get in my head about things, and I'm not one of the first to volunteer. And, it is something I would like to improve, but I do feel, with Fred's guidance, a little more empowered to embrace that.
It's part of the challenge, it's part of the experience, is to help you feel those feelings and still find a moment or a mechanism to stop, reset, get your composure. Even like right now, like I'm feeling it, I'm like, okay, get my composure back, let's focus in again and proceed.
When you hear the other stories, you're like, yep, been there. Yep, I felt that way. And to see other people also being able to kind of break out of that a little bit is so encouraging, and it just feels like, yeah, I can do that too.
Sure, it was a little uncomfortable, but getting to experience that with a bunch of other people who felt the same way was pretty fantastic.
I can because I did it. So now I know that if I could do that, I could do anything else.
Things are not as scary as you think.
Would definitely recommend the workshop for even somebody who never considered themselves shy, timid, or unbold.
It's for somebody who's really focused and just needs to get over the hurdle of being able to learn how to trust themselves.
This seminar, this whole conference has definitely been eye-opening, and I really see myself taking away some of these concepts and definitely implementing it to my day-to-day life.
I really felt like my whole life that this is just who I am and the way I am, and that some people get to be bold and some people get to be outgoing and some people get to be that, but not me. And I learned that that's not true.
The thing that I believe that people get to see and experience by being in this type of workshop is you will be called into the greatest aspect of who you believe yourself to be. Whatever you imagine your greatness can look like, Fred will pull it out of you, and then he will guide you gently and powerfully to seeing it within yourself.